Eu vou ajudar ele a gente.
Hi, I'm Brian. These days, just because of the current state of the economy in our country, in Zimbabwe, the industry is down, and as a result, we embraced the government youth empowerment policy. So we find that it's better to do things by yourself rather than to wait for a company or an institution. Yeah, starting small, you grow until you become a big enterprise. So you earn a better living.
Into this computer and accessories is youth because we found it is more proper and more flexible, you see, and a better way of making a living, I may say, because these days it's difficult to get formal employment in a formal company. You know, they just say you should get employed in companies, but to my surprise, the companies are not willing to employ us. So we found it is better to do it ourselves. Yes.
Una frente,